In this video, I am going to show you how to do the print head cleaning of your Epson XP7100 printer. This is the automatic print head cleaning. Now first we have to load the paper. So paper tray is at the bottom. There are two paper trays. You can get access from here. You can just slide it out and load the paper. Now go to the display panel. So it has a large display panel. Scroll ahead and look for the maintenance. Select print head cleaning and press start. It's going to take around 4 minutes for the automatic print head cleaning to complete. So we'll just wait for that. Print head cleaning is done. Now click on the check. Click on the print. Let's check the print result. So it has printed all the lines clearly and we can see all the colors are available. That means our print head cleaning is successful.